So this video is a short summary video of the beginner's solo cha-cha routine number 4. I'm going to give you the steps, count the numbers, do it a couple of times over for you, and hopefully you can practice from there. So let me face the front. We started with a basic. 1, 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. 6, 7, left turn. 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. 6, 7, cha-cha-cha. Tap, tap, back ball change, tap, tap, back ball change. So that was the left turn and the double front tap with the 2 back ball changes. Toe heel cha-cha in place. Toe, heel, cha-cha-cha. Toe, heel, cha-cha-cha. Toe, heel, cha-cha-cha. Toe, heel, cha-cha-cha. We're going to pony backwards. 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Half right, then half left turn. Half right, cha-cha-cha, half left, cha-cha-cha. And there's a lot going on there. That's only half the routine, so let's do that all again slowly, slowly. 1 basic, 2, 3, cha-cha-cha, 6, 7, left turn, around, cha-cha-cha, double front tap, cha-cha-cha, tap, tap, back and change, tap, tap, back and change, toe, heel, cha-cha-cha, toe, heel, cha-cha-cha, pony, pony, tap and tap, half right, cha-cha-cha, half left, cha-cha-cha. Once more through, and basic, cha-cha-cha, left turn, cha-cha-cha, take it around, cha-cha-cha, double front tap, toe heels, toe, heel, cha-cha-cha, toe, heel, pony, back, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, turn around, cha-cha-cha, turn around, cha-cha-cha. Now, a little bit tricky the next few bars, okay? Left foot, we're going to do some tapping. So I'm going to do out, behind, out and cross. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, hold 1. Bunny taps forward and back. 2, 3, 4, 5. Susie Q, Susie Q. Let's do that from the half right, half left turn. I'm going around, cha-cha-cha, to the left, cha-cha-cha, out, behind, out, cross, Susie Q, out and hold, point and tap and step and tap, Susie Q, Susie Q. Let's put that together with the first few bars, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, cha-cha-cha, 6, 7, cha-cha-cha, left turn, cha-cha-cha, around, cha-cha-cha, and tap and back and change, tap and tap, back and change, toe heel, pony back, mama taps, half right, half left, tap in, out, Susie Q, 8 and pause, bunny tap, Susie Q's and pause. We then finished with 2 tap, tap, Susie Q's, and then some little walks back and some New York flares. We put lots in last time. Let's go. Tap, tap, Susie Q. Tap, tap, Susie Q. Walking back. Quick, 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 quick. New York flare. Coming forwards. Let's do the last 4 bars all together. That's from the tapping. I've just done half right, half left turn. Out, behind, out and cross. Cha-cha-cha, tap and hold. Bunny tap. Susie Q. Tap, tap, Susie. Tap, tap, Susie. Walk back. New York flare. And we pause. Now we're going to count the numbers, okay? So I'm not going to call the names of the moves, I'm just going to count the numbers for you, and then you can practice with the music. Here we go, numbers and 1, 2, 3, cha cha cha, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, cha cha cha, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1. That was beginner solo cha-cha routine number 4. Huge amount in there. Go easy. If you need to look at the full class, it was taught as the week 5 out of the 8-week course. That was at the end of September. That was on the 28th, Monday the 28th of September 2020. You can find that on the full class in the full playlist if you're subscribed to the Cha-Cha playlist. And I will see you in the next video.